Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change your Discord password. First of all, let's log in with our account by going to the Discord official website. Let's log in. Alright, from here click on the user settings, and at the very top in the first tab where it says my account, click on change password button. From here you need to type in your current password, then you need to type in a new password twice, in here and in here, then press done. Then you will be able to confirm your action through email. First of all, to change your password you need to confirm that it's you who's trying to change the password. So after inputting the new password, you will need to confirm that it's you by going into your email inbox, confirming, and then changing your password. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe and I will see you in the next video.